At this point, we are on page 3 of our note. We're answering the question, so how exactly does an instrument, like a string instrument, make sound? Well, the sound comes from a stringed instrument, comes from vibrating the strings, and that is accomplished by pulling a bow across the strings. You saw that in the video of the lady where she compared the two different instruments. A bow is made of horsehair. Baroque period bows were shaped differently from the bows that we have today. Horsehair is what was available, so that is what we used. Like she said in the video, people used the materials that were available, so usually animal parts, just like the strings were made from cat's guts. Well, now they're not. And I think you can get bows made of horsehair, but there's more synthesized materials used at this point. So take a look at these two pictures. The top photo has 3 bows. I want you to think. One of them is a modern bow. 2 of them are Baroque bows. And you've probably already guessed the top one is the modern one, and then the bottom 2 are the Baroque ones. You can see that there is definitely a difference in how they're situated. And then the bottom one is, I believe that this is the Baroque bow. So make sure that you've gotten everything down in your notes, and enjoy this next video of awesome play.